Alright, so first things first, I'm gonna take off. Oh shit, that's the small one. Take off the fender. You got one Phillips there. Make sure you don't lose your shrouds. I'm not sure if all this is necessary for the halos, but I'd rather take apart more and have more room than try and break shit when you try and pop them out. Alright, so you got 3 Phillips there. And then the fender pretty much falls off. You got a clip right there. Yeah, so there's a clip right there. Which, taking the clips out of this are the hardest thing you'll do. Clip out, the fender comes off. Alright, so then on under here you got a clip there, or a screw there, clip up top, screw there. You have screw there, screw there, screw there, screw there. As you can see, I've already done the other side. That's why I decided to show you guys. Well, I'm gonna put it on the tripod. Oh yeah, there's one more clip at the corner right by the cage. It's quite fun to get to. I tried my stubby last night and I think this will work better. That one's out. The fender, I mean, the fender's pretty loose there. But, you gotta take out the other ones too. There's one clip at the top, right below here, really sucks. It's right there. It's right here. And it kicked my ass on the other side, so it might take me a minute. Alright, so you got the headlights pretty loose. I mean, I'm not quite sure if that screw right there will release the whole entire front end or what. I might. Oh yeah. See? You could take off the whole grill assembly and then do the headlights and then put the headlights back on and then mount it all back. They do say that you can take the headlights out without taking all this apart. I'd rather take it apart so I can run my wires and know where everything is. But I mean, it's not too bad. I think you just gotta I'll show you unplug your headlights. You'll see the harness. So unplug it there. And then so here you have the whole headlight assembly. I want to say that this one screw right here releases the headlight assembly, and then you can put the halos in and run the wires and do it all like that. There it is. There's your headlight assembly. So the halos just wrap around the outside of this, and then you tie up the wires with the factory ones. You can go through there, and then out. I mean, it's really not that hard. We'll get the halos mounted, and then we'll move on to mounting the controller and getting that ready for wiring. Alright, so everything's wired up. We got the wires ran, zip tied up with the headlight harness. I'm probably gonna mount it right there, as I don't have any wire to go over here or over there. So I've already been in this one a bunch of times. We got a fuse box set up so it'll have its own power, its own ground there, and then a switch mounted inside. But as for halos, I mean, that's pretty much it. You got that one screw there that holds this in place underneath. You got the one for the grill there that holds the headlight in. So I mean, you could have probably got the headlight housing off without taking off the whole fender like I did, but I feel this was definitely an easier step. Makes everything more accessible. I don't mind taking more apart than I have to.